Is your furnace ready to keep you warm this winter? Regular furnace maintenance isn't just about comfort, it's about savings. A neglected furnace can break down unexpectedly, leaving you in the cold when you need it most. But did you know that regular maintenance can actually extend the life of your central heating system by years? At Shamrocks Plumbing and Heating, our expert team will keep your furnace running smoothly, ensuring peak efficiency and fewer costly breakdowns. This means lower energy bills, fewer repairs, and maximum lifespan for your system, saving you money in the long run. Don't wait until your furnace fails. Visit www.shamrocksplumbingandheating.ca today to schedule your furnace tune-up and keep your home cozy all season long. Shamrocks Plumbing and Heating, keeping Kelowna homes comfortable and wallets happy.